national educator.
Hello learner, this is Chemistry Form 1 and our topic for today is air and combustion. In air and combustion, we are going to talk about rusting. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the term rusting. 2, you should be able to investigate the conditions necessary for rusting. And 3, you should be able to discuss the methods used for preventing rusting. We are going to start rusting. Have you ever known why iron nails or iron sheets look different from the new ones? Old iron nails and iron sheets are brown and dull when they are old, and when they are new, they look shiny. All the materials which are made of iron, when they are new, they look dull. So when they are new, they are shiny, and when they are old, they look dull and also brown in color. The reason is because of rusting. As you can be able to see on your screen there is a chain there, and the chain, we have one which is rusted and the other one which is not rusted or rusted. The one which is rusted is brown and dull in color. The one which is not rusted, it is shiny in appearance. You can be able to see clearly on your screen the rusted chain and the one which has not rusted. Many metals, we know that they change their colors after some time due to some chemical reactions. There are some chemical reactions which occurs on the surface of the metal, and this chemical reaction makes the metal change their colors. These reactions, we refer to them as corrosion. And therefore corrosion of iron due to its reaction with atmospheric oxygen and the air and the water in the atmosphere. Note that due to the atmospheric oxygen and moisture from the air is what we call rusting. Therefore, simply we are saying rusting is the corrosion or the reaction of metal iron with the atmospheric oxygen and also with the atmospheric moisture. Rust forms a brown coating on the surface of the metal. We have already compared the chains, one which was rusted and the other one which is not rusted. The one which was rusted turned, or the color was brown and it was dull. The other one which is rusted, which was not rusted, it's shiny, appears shiny, and therefore that brown coating is what you call rusting. Usually forms on the surface of the metal iron. And because rust is porous, once the object starts rusting, the process continues throughout the structure or throughout the object, and finally the object is completely destroyed. Therefore, you do not have your chain no more. Therefore, that chain is completely destroyed due to that rusting on the surface of that metal. We want to learn about now the conditions necessary for rusting. What are these conditions necessary for rusting? To determine these conditions necessary for rusting, we have to use 5 boiling tubes. 5 boiling tubes, and those 5 boiling tubes are labeled boiling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write them with means of labeling boiling tube 1, boiling tube 2, boiling tube 3 and 4, then 5. And then in those boiling tubes, you put 2 clean nails. 2 clean nails in each of the boiling tubes.